Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. I have something a little out of the ordinary today. It's tastesofchicago.com. Somebody really must like you. And let me tell you, you have no idea how excited we are to get this box. Actually, there's two boxes. It came with two boxes. The bigger one is on the floor down here. This is from my husband's company. It was a Christmas present for him. And we are originally from the Chicago area, and the food in that area is just outstanding. Here in Oklahoma, they just don't have it. We've tried places that say Chicago pizza or Chicago style or Chicago anything, and it's just not. So I am dying to get into this. So it's Tastes, plural, of Chicago, and they ship Chicago foods and gifts nationwide. Here, let me read the blurb. So it's all of Chicago's favorite foods shipped nationwide. Our packages make the perfect gift for any occasion, whether you want to indulge yourself, share great Chicago foods with your friends and family, or if you miss the flavors of home. Tastes of Chicago has everything you crave. So they do ship nationwide, and we are very excited. It's funny, I was looking in the freezer thinking what is for dinner tonight. Well, I know now. Okay. Ooh. So we have the Taste of Chicago magazine with all pizza, Italian beef. Oh, just looking at the pictures makes my mouth water because I know what's inside. Okay, so you get a styrofoam pack. It's probably in dry ice. We have Eli's cheesecake. Is this the original? Oh, it's a celebration sampler. So there's plain cheesecake, turtle cheesecake, white chocolate raspberry cheesecake, and apple strudel cheesecake. There are two of these in here. Oh my gosh. You have no idea. So that is, I think that is all that is in this box. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, and there's even another box in there. We have two loumalnatis pepperoni pizza. Look how deep that is. They are known for that. Chicago pizzas tend to be a lot thicker than New York style pizza. New York style pizza is the very thin crust, where Chicago pizzas, they really like their pan pizzas. I do have a recipe to make the sauce from loumalnatis. That's how much we miss it. So getting two of these is a treat. Now there's one more box in here. Let's open this and see what's in here. Let me tell you, when we found out we were getting this, we were so excited because we do miss the foods from there. We completely miss it. Okay, what have we got here? Oh no! Portillo's Italian beef. So here's the sauce, or the au jus. Upside down, Portillo's beef gravy. There's two of them in here. We have the Take and Make Italian beef. We have, are these the same? No, they look different. Portillo's Take and make Italian beef. They are the same. Okay. So we have 2 of these. Oh, hot giardiniera. This you put on with your sandwich. Now it looks white now, and that's because it's frozen in oil. But when it thaws, it'll turn clear. Wonderful flavor. And it comes with, oh my goodness, they gave us everything, even the bread. Oh my God. Can you tell how excited I am about this? We have 2 packages of this. Packages of bread. I think we need to invite some people over. Do you want to come? And I am guessing that this is the green peppers and onions, maybe. Looks like it tried leaking a little bit. Oh, I can smell it. And then there's the second pot of beef gravy. What a gift. What a wonderful, wonderful gift. They knew that we relocated here in Oklahoma from the Chicago area. But let me tell you, there is nothing like Chicago pizza, their Italian beef sandwiches. We are so thrilled. But so I was happy to share all of this with you. We've got Italian beef sandwiches, we have a couple of pizzas, we have a couple of cheesecakes. We're all set for a party. Would you like to come? Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.